Hello, welcome to Cross Timbers Elementary Title I Update. Our campus receives additional supplemental funds available to Azle ISD campuses called Title I funds. These funds are provided by a federal program called Title I. This additional funding is based on the number of students on our campus receiving free or reduced lunches. Any extra money a school receives is very important during tough economic times. What is Title I? Title I can provide additional teachers and staff things that are known to increase student success. It cannot, however, be used to replace other money the campus receives. Decisions are made each spring on Title I funds. A study of student test scores and other data provide a look at campus needs. Those needs are addressed in the Comprehensive Needs Assessment and Campus Improvement Plan. Title I funds will be used to provide teaching and learning instructional coaches, multi-tiered system of support specialists, and parent involvement activities. How can we use these funds? To meet the purposes of Title I, it must be incorporated into the Comprehensive Needs Assessment and Campus Improvement Plan, and to provide instruction by high quality and state certified teachers. It can also provide professional learning for teachers, principals, educational assistants, and parents, coordinate with other educational programs, supplement but not supplant other efforts, and use effective teaching methods and strategies. How do we get started? Well, first, we need to begin with a thorough analysis of student achievement data, and then we begin to target the student group most in need of academic assistance. Then we explore the possibilities within the budget guidelines, and last, we involve our parents and our staff. You might be asking, how do we get the parents involved? Well, we provide information about qualification of students and educational assistants. We will provide a school parent compact, and we develop a campus parent involvement and family engagement policy. And are there strings attached? Well, there are increased documentation requirements. Also, we have to provide parents a notice of rights to know. Also, we have to utilize that school parent compact and the parent involvement family engagement policy. Also, we must hire high quality state certified staff, including educational assistants. You might be asking, well, how can we help? Well, the first area is get involved and spread the good news. Stay focused on the targets for improvement. Participate in planning and evaluating of our Title I efforts, and encourage families who might be in need to complete the free and reduced lunch forms. Do you have questions? Well, if you do, feel free to email me at swins@azleisd.net, or you can call the school at 817-444-3802. Thank you and have a great day.